Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is raw mango jam or mango jam. This jam is made without sugar and is much healthier jam to give to your kids. So stay tuned to know how to make this raw mango jam or mango jam. We'll require these ingredients to make our raw mango jam or mango jam. In a pan, we will add in our chopped raw mangoes. Here I have chopped them thinly. If you want, you can also grate the mangoes. I like the mango chunks to be slightly big, so I have chopped them. Add 1.5 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Turn on the flame and let it boil on medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes or till your mangoes become soft. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat. Strain the excess water. This process is optional. I'm straining this because the mangoes were really sour. If you like the sour taste of it, then while boiling, just add 1 cup of water to the mangoes. Now, add around 1 cup of jaggery to this. Roasted poppy seeds or khaskhas, lychee powder. Give it all a nice mix. Now, the jaggery will slowly start to melt because the mangoes are hot. Now turn off the flame and boil it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll just check on it. Yeah, it's done. Now we'll turn off the heat and transfer this into our serving bowl. So there you go. Our raw mango jam or mango jam is ready to be served.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button, and also if you found it helpful, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.